Hello guys, I am Syed Sufian. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Email marketing is a powerful digital marketing strategy that involves sending emails to a group of potential current customers. It is done to promote our products or services. It's a direct and cost-effective method to connect with your target market and can be an essential part of your overall marketing strategy. Key elements of email marketing. First is email list building. The foundation of email marketing is your email list. You need a group of people who have willingly subscribed to receive emails from your business. Building a quality email list is a crucial for your success. Second is segmentation. Not all subscribers are the same. Segmenting your email list involves categorizing subscribers based on factors like demographics, behaviors, or purchase history. This allows for personalized and relevant content. Third is email content. Your email content should be engaging and valuable. It can include promotional offers, product updates, educational content, newsletters, or even personalized recommendations. Fourth is design and layout. The design and layout of your emails should be visually appealing, responsive, and match your brand's identity. Subject lines. Fourth is subject lines. The subject line is the first thing recipients see. An enticing subject line can improve your open rates. Sixth is call to action. Every email should have a clear call to action. This can be a link to a product page, a sign up form, or anything that drives the recipients to take action. Seventh is automation. Email marketing platforms offer automations which allows you to send specific emails based on triggers such as subscriber joining your list or making a purchase. Benefits of email marketing. First is cost effective. Email marketing is relatively inexpensive compared to traditional marketing methods. Second is targeted messaging. You can send specific messages to segmented groups, ensuring your content is relevant to each segment or recipient. Third is measurable. Email marketing platforms provide analytics that lets you track open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. Fourth is engagement. Email is a direct channel to your audience and it can be highly engaging with if done right. Conversions. Fifth is conversion. Email marketing can drive conversions such as sales or lead generation when your content is persuasive and your call to actions are well crafted. Best practices for email marketing. First is permission. Always obtain permission before sending emails. This is not only ethical but also a legal requirement in many regions. Second is quality content. Deliver valuable content that your subscribers want to read. Avoid spammy or irrelevant messages. Third is testing. A/B testing subject lines, content, and call to actions can help improve your email performance. Fourth is mobile optimization. Ensure your emails are mobile responsive as a significant portion of users check their email on mobile devices. Fifth is personalization. Personalize your emails with the recipient's name and relevant content. Sixth is consistency. Maintain a consistent sending schedule so subscribers know when to expect your emails. In summary, email marketing is a versatile and effective tool for businesses to connect with their audience, promote products or services, and build relationships. When executed with quality content, segmentation, and adherence to best practices, it can yield impressive results. Thank you for watching this video. Comment on your views. I will meet you in another video.